going to be our first time and my first time na mag-camp with my own things. So talagang pinaglaanan namin to. And this is more like a comeback for the vlog. So ayun, we'll see you around my personal comeback. Happy birthday! Jesus, nakatingin si Snowmy. Jesus, ayun ang gusto niya. Happy birthday! Ay! Ito, buksan natin lahat. Vlog mo to. Ayun ang gusto niya. Ayaw niya ng video. Ayan, nakapag-brunch. So, what we ate kanina was tofu and mushroom, and then nagluto si Dan ng yakiniku beef. Kanina tong canopy namin, medyo mataas siya. Nagpatulong kami kanina sa mga caretakers here sa beach camp. Although, medyo umambon kanina. Thankfully, hindi natuloy yung ulan. Ayan, medyo bumaba yung tali. Also, buti na lang, may malapit ditong tindahan. Kasi, hindi kami nakabili ng dishwashing liquid. And then, bumili din kami ng lighter. Also, I wanna tour you around here. That's our tent right there. Ang cute nung fairy lights. Tapos, andito yung parang pinaka common cottage or table and chairs dito sa beach camp. So, it's day 2. I'm with Snow. Kanina pa ako gising kasi our checkout is 10 AM. We have to cook our breakfast. Snow, bye-bye! Ayan ang masayang bata. So, here is our breakfast. Nagluto lang si Dan kanina nung kanyang marinade dito na bangus, pancakes also. We also have tocino and then may kamatis, itlog na maalat, tapos talong. Fried eggs, mixed veggies, and watermelon na. Lemon dew and Jack Daniels. Meron kaming rice. Madali kasi mag-prepare ng shirataki. May buko pa kami around here. Aming chicheria. Ayan. Let's eat. Tara. Tara dito, Snow. Come here. Kababa ng namin, canopy. Snow! So, ngayon gagawin natin, mag-guys muna ako dito ng sala. Sala? Sabi ka dyan, be. Nakalis na kami sa camp. So, magka-coffee muna kami around Tagaytay. Also, for the insights pala about the beach camp. Maganda siya, I would say. Hindi lang talaga resort or hindi siya swimmable yung beachfront nila. So, what we just did is camp lang talaga kami. Nagustuhan naman ni Snow yung field of grass nila doon. It's well maintained. Yung sink nila and then yung CR, it's very comfortable. Hindi siya yung parang mafe-feel mo ang nature and mga insects. No. Linis siya. Meron silang Lunch na lang din kami after, and then we pack up na. Buti na lang hindi kami pina-extend. Hindi naman sila masyadong strict with the rules of check-in and